Hello friends and welcome. This video covers the difference between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 and explores some examples of Web 3.0 in action. So let's dive in. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is a term used to describe the second generation of the World Wide Web, which started in the early 2000s. Web 2.0 introduced a new era of user-generated content, social networking, and interactivity. Websites like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube are examples of Web 2.0. Web 2.0 technologies are characterized by the following. 1. User-generated content. 2. Social networking. 3. Interactivity. 4. Collaboration. 5. Online communities. 6. Rich media. Web 3.0. Web 3.0, also known as the semantic web, offers even more opportunities for user interaction and content sharing. Its goal is to create an intelligent web that can understand and interpret human needs. Web 3.0 takes advantage of artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and natural language processing. Here are some examples of Web 3.0 technologies. 1. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. 2. Personalized content recommendations. 3. Smart home devices like thermostats, lighting systems, and security systems. 4. Blockchain technology. 5. Big data analytics. 6. The Internet of Things IoT. Web 3.0 examples. Let's explore some concrete examples of Web 3.0 in action. 1. Google Now. This AI-powered assistant can analyze data from your location, search history, calendar, and more to provide personalized content and information. 2. Amazon Echo, a smart speaker that uses machine learning to recognize voice commands and respond with information and tasks. 3. The Weather Channel's Local Now. This personalized weather news portal uses machine learning to provide your local weather, news, and traffic conditions tailored to your interests and location. 4. Blockchain-enabled supply chain management. By recording each step of a product's journey on a blockchain, companies can improve transparency, reduce waste, and prevent fraud. 5. Smart home technologies. Connecting home devices like thermostats, lights, and door locks to the internet via IoT creates a highly adaptable and customized living experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, Web 3.0 is the future of the Internet and brings newer and more advanced technologies to enhance user experience and interaction. While Web 2.0 was the era of social networking, Web 3.0 revolves around advanced technologies such as AI and IoT. We hope this video has given you an understanding of the differences between the two eras and some examples of Web 3.0 in action. Thank you for watching.